Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Sinan, beta, unmute yourself and do recitation, beta. Loudly.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفر إنه كان توابا صدق الله العظيم.
Okay, Sadaqallahu Azim, Jazakallah, beta. Subhanallah. Okay, today we will start the new tenses, all perfect tenses. We will continue it more. Fine. We did all simple and all continuous now. Today we will do all perfect and all perfect continuous. Is that clear to everyone?
Okay.
Let more students join the class and still we have 1 minute. So we should wait for them to join the class. Then I will start at 9:02. Bete, why don't you all submit the assignment except Sinan and Shahraza? Muhammad Danish, Ali Salman, Anaya, Amna, Reja, Abdullah Danish. Why don't you all submit assignment through university? You know, it has marking. आप लोग assignment क्यों नहीं submit करते? बेटे, unmute yourself and speak to me. जी. Raise your hand and speak to me. Unmute yourself and do let me know why you are not submitting the assignment. Ji, Reja, speak up, unmute yourself.
टीचर वो जो आपने रिडल का वो दिया था ना तो उसका सबमिट का बटन दब ही नहीं रहा था, पता नहीं क्यों.
बेटे, I have given 1 day for riddle ना. बाकी असाइनमेंट रिडल के अलावा उनको मैं 1 week देती हूँ. But riddle was very easy. Easy question ना. So I have given only 1 day to submit.
जो मैंने वो उस दिन ही सबमिट करना था पर
Only Sinan did, Aryan did, they got the marks. Aryan got +2, Sinan did, so they got the marks. But other will not get because they did not submit through university to me. Because Sinan always submit the assignment through university. No one is submitting except Shahraza, Sinan, and Fatma Mohsin. These two students are doing so. Ji bete, unmute yourself, Fatma Mohsin.
Yes, I have submitted the riddle.
Yes, bete, I know you have submitted very good efforts. Only few students, na, Fatma Mohsin, Aryan, they are submitting homework. The other are not submitting the homework to me. You all, bete, please make it clear that all the classes and all the assignment has the marks. Who will not submit, they will not be getting it. ठीक है ना? You know, you all will be getting certificate for that. Who are daily taking classes, who are regular and punctual, who are submitting assignment on time. So you will be getting reward for that, extra remarks, extra certificates. But if you don't submit, how could you get it? Ji Abdullah Dani, you speak up.
Teacher, I have submitted you.
Yes, bete, very good. The practice, you are not submitting the assignments. All the previous assignments, I did not get the previous worksheets. I did not get the letter writing. Why no? I want all the worksheet. I want all my practice. Whatever topic we did comprehension, we did vocabulary, we did idioms, so many things. So where are the practices? Where is the written work? I want my written work. Are you getting it? Because you will be getting certificates for that. In the zero term, you will be getting certificate, my dear. You will be getting reward, extra marking for it. So I want you to do so. Submit on time to me. Clear? Few students never bother to open it. They don't view as well. So it's really, really not good. Kindly go through, go and check it. Go sign into university, check your assignment and submit it to me. Clear, everyone? Again, I'm asking you, but no one is giving a response to me except few students. Only Aryan, Fatma Mohsin, Sinan, few students are very responsible. Abdullah Danish, who are submitting to me. The other are, no. Okay, I'm starting the today's topic and sharing the screen. Let Asghar join the class. And please, Aryan, Zayan, and Abdullah Danish, please open camera. I really want you to check who are active and who are not practicing with me. Please, open camera. Otherwise, I will remove you, bete. I want all the students to be attentive and practice with me. Please. You have to open the camera. Whether you just wake up, no matter. You should have a notebook with you, a pencil to practice. The lecture I will be sending through homework. You have to do you have to practice. You have to go through university, sign in, check your assignment, go through lecture and practice. Okay. I'm sharing the screen. Are you able to look at that now? Ji Rija, unmute yourself. Are you able to look at the screen, bete?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Today we will do this blue color. Look at that. All perfect tenses. Fine. Past perfect, present perfect, and future perfect. Fine. We will practice this today. Okay. Moving forward, look at that. Look at the structure of present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. Subject. Okay, that will be more prominent for you. Rahim is coming. Okay. Look at this. I had studied English. Fine. Here, with had, I'm using third form of the word. The structure of perfect tense is with all. Whether it's simple, it's present perfect, past perfect, or future perfect, the structure remains same. Fine. Subject plus helping verb plus third form plus object. This is the structure for present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. You have to memorize this formula. Subject plus third form, past participle, fine, plus object. If we are making present perfect, we will use the helping verb has, have. If we are making past perfect, only had, had. If we are making future perfect, then will have. WILLHAVE, will have. Is that clear to everyone? The whole structure will remain same. Subject will subject. Third form will be third form in all. It won't be changed. And object will remain same. Only the thing which you will change to change tenses, it's future, whether it's future or present, you will change the helping verb. Am I clear? If you're making present perfect, you have to change helping verb according to subject. If subject is third person singular, he, she, it, or name, you will use has, HAS. If the subject is I, we, you, they, you will use HAVE, have. Fine. But in past perfect, with all subject, you will use HAD, had. And in future perfect, WILLHAVE, have, will have. Fine. Now, look at that. I'm making negative and interrogative as well. Look at that. We have washed the dishes. It's present perfect. Fine, because the subject is we. That's why I have used HAVE, have. Clear? If the subject over here I'm using he, she. So I will use the helping verb HAS, has. Look at that. These two are the helping verb. These two are the helping verb for present perfect. Has and have. This is the structure. Subject plus helping verb plus third form plus object. Okay? If I'm making negative, I will put negation, the not sign. NOT, not. We have not washed the dishes. It's negative. If I'm making interrogative, What I'll be doing? I'll be doing inversion. The helping verb will come before subject. Is that clear to everyone? Fine. Now look at past perfect. The structure will remain same, only the helping verb is changed. Here I will use hat, H-A-T, hat. Look at that, only you can judge the tense with the help of helping verb. Here I have used has a, here I am using HAT, hat. And in future I am using will have. Look at that. Here I am using will have. We will have washed the dishes. We will not have washed the dishes. Fine. Will we have washed the dishes? As I told you, when we are having more than two helping verb. So whenever we are making negative, the negation will appear after first auxiliary. Look at that. We are having two auxiliary. Will have. In future, perfect. So what will you do to make negative? You will put not after will, because will is the first auxiliary, first helping verb. I cannot write we will have not. It will be incorrect. Clear to everyone? So we have done today all perfect tenses. Yes. Now I want everyone to practice. If you're using computer, mobile, whatsoever, share your practice with me. And do let me know what are you doing. Right now, make 5 sentences and share with me. Ji Sinan.
Teacher, in all forms, there is past form in all.
Past participle form, third form we have to use. Yes, beta. In all. Whether it's present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Only third form we use in perfect tenses.
Okay.
Yes, very good, Abdullah Farhan. I want all the students to share the today's practice. All perfect tenses. Practice with me. Beta Abdullah Farhan, we have very short time. Other will also share it. So quickly do so. If you are sharing it, quickly do so. Don't stop. Ji beta. Quickly share the practice. Open it. Open your practice and show it to me. Everyone should submit the practice. I want to see each and every practice. Whatever you are doing. Think that you are in the classroom right now and you have to make sentences, 5 of each. Mois, start making please. Anaya, I want practice. Please send the practice to me. Quickly. 5 sentences you all have to make with me. And share right now. And no one give attendance today. Everyone should write present teacher with class section, please.
हेलो टीचर.
जी बेटे.
टीचर आप मुझे एक दफा समझा सकते हैं क्योंकि टीचर मेरा नेट नहीं चल रहा है सही से.
Yes bete, why not? In all perfect tenses, the structure which we are using is subject plus helping verb plus third form plus object. Mark my words, subject, helping verb, third form, object. Fine. In present perfect, wait Fatma bete, I am watching you. In present perfect, the helping verb is has. In past perfect, had, HAD. Or in future perfect, will have.
मिस कहाँ करना है ये?
Yes, Fatma. Ask the question, my dear.
मैं समय उर्दू के सेंटेंस में कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये पास्ट परफेक्ट है?
With the help of helping verb, na beta, you can judge the tense. If I am using HAD, had, I had done my work. So definitely it's past perfect because I have used HAD, had, helping verb now. The helping verb will help you to justify it. How will you judge the tense? With the help of helping verb. Because everywhere we are using third form, only helping verb is changed. In present has a, In past, HAD had. In future, will have. Now, please share the practice of yours. Do classwork with me. Aryan, Saqib, who is Ammar and Zaid? Open camera, otherwise I'm removing you. Very good practice, Aryan. We have not played cricket. Bete full stop is missing and capital letter V should be capital. और बेटे perfect tense में do does नहीं आता. Mark my word. In perfect tenses we don't use do and does. Do and does present simple के helping verb पे. ठीक है? We have not होगा और have भी हो जाएगा. ठीक है? We have not played cricket.
टीचर
Have भी. नहीं बेटे do does बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा. Do does perfect tense का helping verb नहीं है. Perfect tense का helping verb पे has and have. So please be careful when you are practicing. Check the verb, check the helping verb, and then make sentences. Other student, please give attendance. Anaya, please attendance. Moise, attendance.
टीचर
जी बेटे.
टीचर हमें कितने सेंटेंस बनाने हैं?
5 sentences. Do make negative interrogative as well.
Okay.
But think that you are doing the classwork and write in a practice with me and ask the question, please. Amsal, open camera and practice with me.
Okay.
I want everyone to show practice. If you are unable to submit over here, submit through WhatsApp. But I want my practice. Clear? Ask the question right now. Fatma, share one sentence, please. जी बेटे. Unmute yourself, share your sentence. Who has made 1-2 sentences, share it now. Okay, Zayan, share bete. Loudly speak up, Zayan bete. बच्चा आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही.
मिस मैं कह रहा हूँ मेरे टीचर हम लोग जैसे
बेटे there is an option near chat button, screen share. I have allowed you to share your practice with me. Very good, Amsal. Amsal, look at that. How are you using did? Bete, we are doing past perfect and present perfect. She has helped. ठीक है, and she has not. Did use नहीं करेंगे. ये तो आपने present and past tense share कर दिया. I want perfect tenses.
टीचर मैं बता सकता हूँ?
जी, everyone can.
टीचर मैं स्क्रीन नहीं शेयर कर रही. टीचर मैं आपको सुना दूँ?
Yes, bete, you can verbally share with me. All are allowed to do so.
टीचर हमें क्या करना है वो?
Share the practice.
Teacher, we have cooked the food. We have not cooked the food. Have we cooked the food?
Very good. Excellent job, my dear.
Teacher, we have played cricket. We have not played cricket. Have we played cricket?
Very good, Aryan. Bete, excellent job. Now, who else is sharing? Please unmute yourself and share the practice. Quickly. Aryan, excellent job. Vania, bete, do take part. Rafi, please share the practice. Asghar, your practice, please. Humaira, bete, practice with me. I want all the students to take part in the class. Share the practice. जब आप कोई काम कर चुके होते हैं, whether in past, present or future, at that time we use perfect tense. Fine. I have completed my homework. I have completed my practice. अगर हम प्रेजेंट में कर चुके हैं और पास्ट में तो आई हैड कंप्लीटेड HAD. जी बेटे.
मिस हम प्रेजेंट में क्या लगाएंगे?
Have, HAVE, has and have.
सर हमें कहाँ करना है ये?
It is right now in rough copy, or if you're using computer, do in computer and share the practice with me quickly. If you're using mobile, do in mobile. Very good, Rafi.
In chat.
G bete. If you're using computer, do in computer. Using mobile, do in mobile. I want practice of all the students. Very good, Rafi. Rafi, write 6th red. You are in 6th red now. G bete. Add capital I over there. Very good. Now make sentences. G, very good. Yes, now make it bete. Very good practice. Oh, third form, Rafi, third form. The third form is ED. Watched, ED, WATCH, ED. Very good. Wow. Very good, Dot. Very good. Very good. Negative interrogative. Excellent job. Other can unmute themselves and other can share. Amna Sheikh. Amna bete, third form you have to use. You did not use the third form. We play badminton. Badminton spelling is incorrect. Please correct that. We have played badminton. Have played likhiye bete. Do correction. PLAYED. Third form should be there. Correct that, please. Correct your sentences.
मिस इसमें ईडी तो नहीं आएगा अब?
Definitely bete, we have to use third form. Perfect tense में हमेशा ed form आती, third form आती है. Whether it's negative or interrogative, we have to use third form. Past participle form. ठीक है? Very good. Very good.
टीचर मैंने कर लिया.
Okay, wait, Moise. Let Rafe complete. Quickly, Rafe, bete, quickly. Rafe, helping verb will come first when you are making interrogative. Have been. H should be capital. Everyone should practice with me. Ji bete.
Teacher, I want to also share the screen. I have done
Quickly,
it.
Rafe, complete the sentence. Now, Moise and then Rija will do. Quickly, bete. Very good. The question mark at the end. Now, Rafe, share the topmost screen. Now, I will capture picture with your name. Very good. Wait. Let me. Yes, Moise, now your turn. Very good, Rafi. Moise,
Yes,
please,
miss.
everyone should do that. Please. Moise, you wish to share the practice?
Yes, miss.
Quickly do it.
Yeah, miss.
We have completing the whole word. But why are you using been? जब already complete की third form मौजूद है, completed, so why been? Asghar, no need to use been, B-E-E-N. Skip कीजिए. ठीक है, we have completed. ठीक है, we did not नहीं होगा, we have not होगा. Asghar, do correction in your practice. We have completed, We have not completed and have we completed. Mark my word, do, does or did perfect tense में नहीं आता. Don't use it.
मिस मैं अपना काम दिखाऊं?
जी बेटे जाहिद. Sure. Moise, you are not sharing. Rija, better share the screen of yours. Zahid,
Okay,
I'm not
teacher.
able to look at that. Share a screen now. इसकी picture खींच के इसको computer में रख लेना बेटे आप. Just capture the picture and save in your computer.
अच्छा टीचर.
And then show it to me with share a screen. Very good, Moise. G, Moise. Moise, quickly बेटे.
मिस ये हो सकता है दे हैव अ बर्थडे केक.
They have
अ बर्थडे केक.
They have had a birthday cake. समझ रहे? They have had a birthday cake. Third form का होना बहुत जरूरी है. Complete the formula, complete the structure. Moise is incorrect बेटे. We have played. 2 नहीं आएगा. Full stop should be there. Moise, पहले make sentence and share it. Stop sharing. First make sentence and then share. पहले आप बना लें बेटे, then share with me. Please, after making sentence, then share with me. Stop sharing, Moise. बेटे, Richa, do yours.
Yes, teacher. Teacher, first he stopped the sharing, then my
Moise,
screen.
बेटे,
will
stop the
become-
sharing of yours.
Miss, how to stop?
Just click on share screen. Stop from there.
यहाँ पर न्यू स्क्रीन लिखा हुआ आ रहा है.
Teacher, can I share?
Yes, now you can share.
Teacher, can I share?
Wait. Let Reja complete now. I'll capture the picture of Reja, then you will do so.
Teacher, see,
Yes, speak up, Reja. Bete Reja,
we have
the
done.
third form of drink. You will correct the form of drink. Third form.
Teacher, it will become drink or drank.
Drawing, bete. Oh, you have written class 4. Right, 6 green, bete. Correct the class. Very good practice. This is present perfect. Do past perfect. Okay, wait. Let me now capture. Now, Sinan, you do it. Very good, Reja. Now, Sinan, your turn. Share your practice. I want all the students to share the practice with me. Please. Humaira, we have played cricket. We have. Bete, eat it nahi hota, Humaira. Eaten. E-N. E-A-T-E-N. We have eaten pizza. Full stop is missing in all sentences. Do write full stop at the end of sentence, Humaira Iqbal.
Just
Very
share
good
the screen.
practice. Sinan, speak your sentences, please. I'm making video of yours.
Present perfect. She has cooked food very quickly. She has not cooked food very quickly. Has she cooked food very quickly? Past perfect. You had played football. You had not played football. Had you played football? Future perfect. We will have watched a movie. We will not have watched a movie. Will we have watched a movie?
Very good practice, Sinan. Bete, excellent job. Yes, Bete, quickly. We have 5 minutes more. Who else is sharing the practice with me? You know who are sharing right now? They will be getting extra +1 marks who are taking part in the class. I want all the students do so. Now stop you sharing. Very good practice.
Miss,
Ji bete.
I want to
had
share
had.
this.
Rafe, they had a birthday cake. Right? 2 times had. 2 times लिखें. They had. If you are making past perfect, if it's past perfect, तो had आएगा. अगर present है तो have had आएगा. If it's future, then will have. इस तरह से होगा, ठीक है? Will have had. Very good. अब they have not had. ठीक है? Very good. Very good, Rafi. Full stop at the end. Very good. Just think that you all are in the class right now and you have to practice with me. Do practice during the online session. On Saturday, maybe I'll be taking the extra class of everyone. Mark my word, Saturday we'll be having the extra class.
Miss, I want to share the screen.
Okay, Rafi, stop your sharing, bete. Very good practice. Yes, 2 minutes are left. Who else is sharing? Very good.
Miss,
Will you share this
I
screen?
want to.
Write the name. Who shared this screen? Write the name. Bete, I had eaten. Third form. Anaya. I had eaten. Not mine, my food. EATEN. Eaten my food. Yesterday. Not tomorrow. Eaten my food, my meal. My likhe MY. Not mine. My likhe mete MY, my. My food yesterday. Very good, Anaya. Now, had I eaten? In interrogative, had I eaten? Do we use nahi karenge? Did we use nahi karenge? We don't use do and did. ठीक है? Had I eaten? Don't use do, did, does. It won't come here. Had I eaten my food yesterday? Fine. But it did not cut कीजिए. Had not. I had not eaten my food yesterday. Tomorrow cut कीजिए. If you're talking about yesterday's mean कल. अब आप कल से पहले की बात कर रही हैं, day before yesterday. ठीक है? आने वाले कल की बात कर रही हैं, tomorrow. ठीक है? आने वाले एक दिन बाद की बात कर रही हैं, तो day after tomorrow. Had I eaten? H should be capital, bete. Or hi, please. H should be capital, Anaya, bete.
मिस
जी
आप
bete.
मेरे वो सेंटेंसेस देख लें.
Yes, bete, I have seen it. Very good practice now. Asghar, very good practice. But you should not use did. आप did क्यों use कर रहे हैं बेटे Asghar? We have done, it's fine. We have not done, have we? Do corrections. Anaya, bete, stop sharing. Do correction first. There are corrections, bete. Please do correction, Anaya. Very good
Yes.
practice you are doing. Practice more. Correction you have to do. Fatma, share it now. Very good practice,
Yes.
Rafi. Very good. I have checked. Very
Miss, I
nice.
want to share it now.
Okay, now share it, bete, please. Yes, who else wish to share the screen? Quickly share, bete. We have only 1 minute left. Quickly share, my dear. Vania beta, you don't take part in the class. Very good.
Miss,
Beta, there are correction. Ali Salman, I have seen is fine. Fine, I will have seen. It's also fine. I have had a cat. Third form is missing in all sentences. Ali Salman, do corrections. There is no third form. I have had a book. I have had a book. It should be, helping verb should be separate. Third form should be separate. Please. Don't mix up. Helping verb separate use कीजिए और third form separate use कीजिए. Third form हर हाल में आपको use करनी है. Mark my word. Subject plus helping verb plus third form. Now please stop your sharing. Fatma Mohsin, you do. Do correction, stop sharing. Now who is doing this practice? Beta name. The name is not. He has gone to the park. He has not gone to the park. Very good. Who did so?
Miss me.
Very good, Fatma. You did not mention your name. Very good. She had taken admission in the university. She had taken admission. She had not taken. Very good. With a question mark. Had she taken admission in university? Question mark. Put the question mark. Has he gone to the park? Question mark. Note the full stop will not come. When we are asking the question, we have to put question mark sign over there. Okay, everyone. The time ended. Take good care of yourself. Stop sharing, please. Who is doing so? It's a very, very bad habit. But whenever you are sharing the screen, mark my word, disable the participant annotation. If the participant is sharing, you have to disable that option. Otherwise, other student can mark the lines. Okay? Whenever I share my screen, I mark it. Disable the participant annotation. In this manner, no one can touch it. Are you getting my option?
Yes.
Very good. Whenever you are sharing the screen, go to click on more option and click on the check disable participant annotation. In this manner, not a single person can interrupt or can mark in your assignment. Jeevani, only 1 minute we have. Quickly, bete. Already I have taken 6 more minutes of Ms. Nida Zubair's class. Please, bete. Quickly, Vania, if you wish to share. Yes, where are the practice? Vania, the time's up, bete. I have to end the meeting.
Teacher,
Ji, beta.
teacher, there is no Urdu class today.
Okay, you won't be having the Urdu class today. Why? Everything fine?
टीचर वो हमारे रोज ब्रेक होता है
उर्दू क्लास.
यस
Okay, fine. Then enjoy the break. Who else wish to share the practice? Ali Salman, you did not do correction, my dear, and you are not attentive right now. Have you done the correction? Amna Sheikh, look at the sentences. We will have studied together. We will not have studied together. Third form is missing and helping verb is also missing. Do corrections. Please complete. Do correction in your practice. G. Unmute yourself. Do corrections.
मिस
G.
मिस इसके बाद नाजा का ब्लॉक है.
Okay, I'm ending the class. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, everyone.
अल्लाह हाफिज़.
Allah Hafiz.
अल्लाह हाफिज़ टीचर